There are millions of online resources available to you through the library catalogue. You'll find things like academic journals, newspaper articles, dissertations, and much more. If you are looking for physical resources or ebooks, use the main search box at the top of the page. We have another video that goes over that. To search for the rest of the online materials, look for the box on the right-hand side of the page labelled EBSCO Discovery Service. That's where you can search for digital resources. Just type in what you're looking for and hit enter. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll be asked to log in through Open Athens. This is just the system we use to manage all of the login details for the websites where these resources are stored. Select the Google option and log in with your college email and password. Once you're in, you can use the filters to narrow things down. You might want to pick a specific type of source. You can also filter by how recent the information is. And there are more filters in the full list on the button on the left. You may need to tweak your keywords to really zero in on what you need. When you find something you're interested in, check how to access it. Some resources will have a button that says Access Now as a PDF, and you can open it straight away. Others might ask you to search for full text, and you'll follow a link to get to the full document. Since we subscribe to a variety of services, each one might look a bit different, but it's usually pretty straightforward. Look for options like Download or View Full Article. In this case, I've got Download Full Text. If you do run into any trouble finding a specific resource, don't hesitate to reach out to us at the library. We're here to help and we'll do our best to get what you need. Here's a tip. If you find a resource you really like, try using the More Like This button. It will suggest 5 similar documents, which can save you a lot of time searching for additional materials. If you have any questions or need help, you can always come and see us in the library or send an email to learningtechnology@gllm.ac.uk.